Hello everyone, my name is Philip and this is my project for English class concerning weather, the way it is formed, and to be more specific we'll be speaking about our school as well. Thank you for watching and let's go ahead.
To be more specific, I'll be speaking about weather concerning our school, Spirohare. Obviously, it isn't snowing or raining in our school, but as you have noticed, each day is a different day with different temperatures and the weather outside is different.
I'll be describing each one of the four seasons, the characteristics, and how the nature reacts to the weather. Obviously, we'll mention the temperatures and how people also react.
To make this video a bit more entertaining, we'll be using as examples the paintings we have in our school, the paintings made by Mr. Ostahe, which represent these seasons. Autumn is by far one of the most colorful seasons of the year. Autumn, or otherwise called fall in Moldova, is a season of vibrant colors and mild weather, characterized by the gradual transition from the warmth of the summer to the chill of the winter. The months of September, October, and November bring cooler temperatures, often ranging from 10 degrees Celsius to even 20 degrees Celsius at the start of the autumn. The landscape transforms into a tapestry of red, orange, and yellow as the leaves change color, which, by the way, is a very important part of nature. Rainfall becomes more frequent, adding a crisp freshness to the air. The mornings are often misty and the evenings grow cooler, making it the perfect time for cozy indoor activities. Winter weather in Moldova is characterized by cold temperatures varying significantly across the country. In the northern regions, temperatures often dip below freezing, ranging from -4 degrees Celsius to even -10 degrees Celsius. The southern parts, however, experience milder winters with temperatures between -2 degrees Celsius and -6 degrees Celsius. Unfortunately, in recent years, Moldova has experienced a noticeable decline in snowfall due to the continuous warming trend. This change has led to less frequent and lighter snowfalls, altering the traditional winter landscape. The increasingly warmer weather is a growing concern in Moldova, as it impacts not only the winter scenery but also the border environment and agricultural system, depending on the cold seasons. Nonetheless, if you recall, this year we did have a few snowfalls and it was very fun. The next season is spring. Spring in Moldova brings mild and very pleasant weather, making it an ideal time for outdoor activities. Temperatures gradually rise from 10 degrees Celsius in March to around 20 degrees Celsius in May. But as you might have noticed, this year we have reached temperatures up to 32 degrees Celsius in May. The season is characterized by blooming flowers and lushy greenery, creating a very beautiful landscape all across the country. This favorable weather is perfect for events such as outdoor festivals, picnics, and cultural gatherings. Spring also marks the beginning of agriculture activities, with farmers preparing their fields for planting. I should also mention that the landscapes and the weather itself during spring in Moldova encourages actually the development of tourism, because a lot of people from other countries come to visit Moldova. Last but not least is summer. The summer in Moldova are characterized by hot and very dry weather, with temperatures often exceeding 30 degrees Celsius and occasionally reaching up to 40 degrees Celsius, which is a very bad temperature, both for human and nature as well. The long sunny days create perfect conditions for activities such as swimming, hiking, and enjoying local festivals. However, the intense heat can also have adverse effects on nature, as I already mentioned. The risks of wildfires increase significantly during the summer months, posing a threat to wildlife and natural habitats. Additionally, the extreme temperatures can lead to droughts affecting agriculture and water resources. Unfortunately, climate change is worsening these challenges, with summers becoming hotter and longer. There is growing concern that the current summer could be the hottest on record, which highlights the importance to action right now. Speaking of climate change, I would like you to take notice of the landscape you are seeing right now, the garden of Spiroharet in front of our school. It is very green and there are a few plants such as flowers and bushes. However, if you recall, there were a lot of different plantations including flowers such as roses, sunflowers, orchids, daisies, and even lilies, which were making the school a lot more beautiful. You might be wondering what nature and the plants have to do with weather. However, they're actually directly connected one to another, because plants, nature, and everything we see as green is forged and coordinated by the weather outside.
In conclusion, I urge you all to take actions as fast as possible because the situation outside is getting worse. The weather is hotter, the animals are dying, and nature itself has a big negative impact upon it. We must stop the pollution, we must stop with the use of plastic, and obviously we should stop with the CO2 eliminations in the air. Thank you everyone for having watched my video, and I hope my message reached you well. Let's make a change together and let's make the world a better place.